What's up, guys? This is Adrian with Scrape Creators, and today I'm going to show you how to scrape Reddit search. So if we want to come over here and search for a topic like, let's say, tariff, then yeah, you get the posts that are associated with that. So if you want to programmatically do this and scrape it, then what we're going to be using is this tool called Scrape Creators, which, full disclosure, is my tool that I created. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down to Reddit search. And yeah, pretty easy to use. We just have this query parameter, and then we can add additional params, like if we want to sort by comment count or only posts that are today. And then you can see some of the sample response and then request here. And then you can use this AI prompt. If you want AI to do it for you, you can put that in ChatGPT or Claude or Cursor or whatever. But I have this example repo all set up, and this will be in the description of the video if you want to take a look at that. And then for this, we're just going to search for tariffs, and we just want 100 results. And this start time is just so we know how long the query is going to take. And then we're going to default to relevance and all, which is, the default anyway. After is so you can paginate. So we're going to set that to null. And then you can see in this while loop that if we do have an after, then reassign that to after so that we can just continue to paginate. And then the API over here is, you can see just calling that API. So api.scrapeCreators.com/v1/reddit/search, and then query is the query parameter. And if there's a sort, an after, and time frame, then append those. And maybe I'll put this up there. And then make sure that you have an API key and that you set that in the X API key header. And you can find an API key if you sign up at app.scrapecreators.com. So let's go ahead and run this for tariffs. So we'll run node reddit search.js. So we got 1 page of results, 2 pages, 3. Boom. So it took a little over 7 seconds. And then we wrote the file to test.json. And so we can see the results here. Like, can someone tell me why it's not fair to impose here? So the results aren't going to be exactly the same. All right, let's check out this third one here. So we have tariff chart released. And that one's right there. So yeah, the order is a little bit different. And I think this is the other one that we saw. MAGA fan learns what tariffs actually means. So yeah, it looks like they are there, but again, it might be in a little bit different order. Now, if we wanted to sort by like comment count, so let's try that. So we want to sort instead of relevance, then they have to be these exact strings. So we're going to sort by comment count. So if we go over here and have the results, so the address is scheduled, let's see, self-text. So discussion thread, 2025 presidential address to Congress, boom, that one. And then let's check out what the next one is. President Trump declares national emergency, boom. And then obviously you get all of the other details. So you get the self-text, subreddit, and then this is, I think, the ID right here, the upvote, score, flare text, created at, a preview image, author, URL, number of comments. And then if you want to click on this and get all of the post detail, including the comment, then you can use this one right here, or this endpoint. Even though it says post comments, you get post and the comments. So that's it. So that's how you search Reddit for posts. If you want to scrape anything else on social media, including the ad libraries like Google, Facebook, or the LinkedIn ad libraries, check out Scrape Creators. We have all of these endpoints that you can scrape, that you can use. Check it out, scrapecreators.com. Thanks.